And yeah, I finally got my wheels back from repair, if people are wondering. So.
Thanks.
Can you open this for me?
Of course I can.
Ah, no, don't too much. Jesus Christ.
Then don't look over here, man. Don't look over here. What? Yo, this man trying to kill me, bro.
I'm joking. And this, you can only take it at 50. Let's see. What do we get?
Yes, we are definitely going 50 miles an hour.
What can this car take? 90 and 100
and miles per hour. Damn. This car is definitely not moving from this road.
They're saying it's only supposed to take in 50. You can take it at 80. We took it at 90, just saying. So.
No, the signs are only a recommendation. There's no one behind us. So take it slow, man. It's good. Mk Jackson.
It's actually good.
What?
It's actually good.
Yeah, I told you.
This is good, chat.
It is pretty sweet though, right? Well, this is the other one I'm thinking about. Because there's another one which has...
It's like, it tastes more like milk. And a little bit of hint of vanilla, not strongly.
But that's because there is a brand that makes the vanilla protein drink with 50 grams of protein instead of 26. And it's actually more affordable.
Interesting, chat.
Yes, I think you can buy them in like 365 on Netto.
Oh, and we are getting approximately there 1 hour before everyone else, but it is what it is.
It is what it is.
We will see how many people are there, and probably a lot of people are gonna look at me because what the fuck, why are you having a GoPro? Because
I can feel it tickle. And now I'm dead. Oh shit! Hey. That brother's floating in the air, and now he can't fly no more. That's a cow. Moo!
come on. Thank you.
Only 40 miles per hour? Okay.
What? It is what it is. It is what it is, and there's a Tesla, chat.
Facts. Coded by you gamer.
Everyone in Tesla is shit. It's poop.
Yeah.
Anyone that likes Tesla is, sorry to say, apparently it doesn't like cars.
It's a bitch car.
Tesla is not a car. Sorry to say, it is not.
Say it in a nice way, it's a bitch car. Sorry to say, you can hate on me all you want, but I don't care. Damn. It do be. It's not me making the sound, it's the motor.
Yeah, something is making it at least.
Something is making sound.
And nah, it's gonna take 17 minutes. No, it's not.
For 9 kilometers. That is.
I think I know why. I just have a feeling I know why.
There's gonna be like a road blockage or something like that.
Where everyone wants to get in, there's a road blockage. That's why.
Yellow car.
Yeah. I'm wondering why everyone is like every young. Why are they going away? Like, come on, it's first day. It's good weather. Get the fuck outside and get to car meets.
People just want to go home, man. They want to like get their stay over so they can go to Friday and then have weekend.
Oh. I had weekend for I don't know so long, so I don't care.
Shut up. It's not funny.
Shut up, you stupid head bitch, Nicky.
It's not funny.
It's not funny.
It's not funny, and I'm Irish, and I'm gonna beat your ass like Conor McGregor. Oh, that's a party boy. Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Tesla sucks. You know what it sucks? That really sucks.
Yeah. Your mom suck.
Why do you always have to bring my mom in this, man? Like,
Man, come on.
damn, that's an old lady. Woo.
Oof.
I can feel it tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle.
Good sound. And I'm also gonna make sure the engine is fine. Because again, I felt a little bit rough, but that's because again it's.
It has to be warmed up properly. From LA.
But we have ridden so long, so it should be fine.
Yeah. Tesla.
Yeah. And I don't, again, something also a car I don't understand why they made is the up GTI. Like, what the fuck? It doesn't even have more horsepower. It's just, it just have the sporty, it just have sporty suspension and sporty brakes and sporty interior, but it doesn't have more horsepower.
It's shit.
It's like 110 horsepower on the up. I'm like, you know what? It takes not that fast. Over 200 horsepower, then it's not slow, it's not fast, it's okay. But 100 horsepower is meh.
Too bad, man. Shit.
But as my quote again, I know I'm driving a 205 horsepower car, and you will say it's not fast. I can take you in my A3, but I'm not a millionaire, okay? It takes time for me to get a faster car, and that's just it.
Just rub a bang, man.
That's just how it is.
Just rub a bang, then you're millionaire. Just do it like the Wild Western with the pew pew pew. And the cowboy hat. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw! Give me all your money, I will fuck you over. Why do everyone sit so low like they can't see shit over the car? You see so many people, they sit like fucking low and be like, when you sit that way you can't see shit, buddy.
Because they gay.
If you're that low, then don't sit all the way down in chair. Electric. It was electric, so nah.
It still looks good though. Like,
it does, but it's electric. So.
Yeah, I know, that's the bad thing about it. Like, it looks so beautiful.
Nah. Tesla.
Don't go. Yes, it does not have to go the same way as us. Move your way.
Move you stupid ass. You slow as fuck.
I kept your mom.
Mercedes.
What?
Suzuki.
Suzuki?
Suzuki. Oh.
Sucky, long time.
Sucky. Ah, okay, that's a nice BMW actually.
Ooh,
It's
and
okay.
the double exhaust. No, it has a single exhaust.
No, it have two. One on
Only
each side.
one, though.
It have two on each side.
Yeah, I know
so
it
it's a
does.
5 Series. Every 3 and 5 Series have in both sides of the new ones.
I know.
Car nerd. Car nerd alert. 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 Car nerd alert.
Ooh, that one as well, the white one. Beautiful.
Oh, Jaguar.
Where?
Right there.
Hey. Damn, boy. I think he went to the meeting. Now he's just like, no, I'm gone.
No.
I have escaped from the police. This is my new
Fuck
home
police.
with my friend Pigeon.
Smile. I joke. I don't know if they are actually cameras or what.
Is that my mom? Wait, no. Never mind. Wait. Oh, it's the same number plate as the one my mom has. It's DC as well, and it's the same car. I thought that was my mom for a second.
Sad
and then
people.
And then I saw it was a very old woman. And then I was like, oh hell nah. There you go. The poop.
Pop. 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 Suzuki.
That's a fucking Skoda. Are you
Fuck
dumb?
you.
Are you blind? Do you need
Golf. Suzuki. Skoda.
Oh,
Don't.
damn, with a motorcycle. Oh, it's a Yamaha store.
They have a mommy.
I have mommy issues.
Mommy?
Mommy.
Here
comes the traffic. On God, it does.
What do you mean traffic is nowhere?
Yeah, it's turning yellow, man. Listen to me.
Because people don't know how to drive a car.
Facts.
They stupid, and now it's not yellow anymore. So
Oh, now it's on yellow. I just turned this man on yellow.
damn,
Son. Damn, she's got a nice boot.
that is because of people don't know how to drive a car.
And no, don't. Yo, welcome back. Damn, bro, she got the boobies.
Ooh, that sound actually. I know. Okay, don't easy.
Easy peasy lemon. Easy.
Do we want to go outside the grass to see if there's anyone, or do we want
Doesn't
to?
even matter. Just do what you gotta do, man. I'm just here for the company. I am moral support. I'm emotional.
You know what? We're just gonna go and see how many cars, and then we can.
Go park
Go park there.
Go park right here.
I go park in the fucking roundabout.
How the fuck did the car even get up there? Wait.
Good question. A ramp? I would say a ramp.
I'm gonna.
A ramp? A room?
Nah, cause like there's actually no way to get
Fuck.
up.
Look out. And he didn't use his hands, stupid man.
Old ass fucking
See how many cars there is yet. There's some BMWs, and I know they're looking. There's some nice cars, and this is Ruskin. Then I'm just gonna go around to see how many cars there's, because I don't think that.
Around you, man.
Because there is quite some few.
Oh my days, bro! That Porsche is looking.
Oh, Ferrari. Okay, that's actually cute. We're just gonna go around about, and then we're gonna go in.
Looks kinda.
No, don't. The windows open. Jesus Christ.
She has headphones in, man. What you mean, buddy? That man has a camera in there.
I don't know. Again, that one I don't understand, taking that big camera out. I'm like, why do you take a big? Why do you take that big camera out? Like, what the fuck? You have a phone that can.
Put on a
What they can do a lot.
Use a little camera or phone. If you have very good phone, very expensive phone, you can do very
Yeah, I don't understand why, but it is what it is. But you know what? We're just gonna go in the grass and park.
Why is there Volkswagen white body?
Because there is. Let's just go in the fucking grass and see, because then we can always go.
Volkswagen var white body. Og det så bare ikke godt ud til. Hvad siger man?
Ja, de kigger der bare. Jeg skulle ikke lige noget. They are just looking if they want to, but we go in.
Just rev the shit out of them.
Nope. No, we're not.
I hear the ice cream truck.
Look at that in the camera. He's so far away, but he's not far away from us. It's so weird. It is definitely weird.
Yeah, thanks.
So.
Damn, look at that one. It's like, damn.
I know it's good.
Damn, what a beautiful woman next to it though. Ain't no way she
can you take it easy with all those fucking women's?
Damn, look at that.
Can you take it easy with all those fucking women's, bro?
I'm talking about the car right now, bro. Damn, park next to the Ferrari. Just...
No, but I'm not parking next.
Yeah, but that would be crazy funny though.
I'm not.
You're just gonna hold right. Oh.
I'm gonna hold it in the middle. I don't care. Cause then
park next to the Ferrari.
Why should I park next to the Ferrari?
Because it's gonna look so fucking funny. Duh.
No, thank you, bro.
But it is though.
No, thank you.
Damn, what an ugly color. So,
actually, no, we're not gonna keep that on. We're just gonna keep it off.
I'm gonna keep you.
It sounds bright. It sounds okay. Yes. But yeah, chat, I'm gonna end it now because I don't want to go out looking like this stupid. It's gonna be very fucked up. So.
You are fucked up.
Pass.
Peace.